Hi, my name is Jim Balla, and today's video is going to be how to do a basic oil change on a SnowDogg snowplow. The first thing we do, we will need some tools, and will be 2 quarts of oil and a set of Allen wrenches. So the first question is where is the drain plug? The drain plug is located on the passenger side, kind of like up in here underneath this plate. There's a cutout that'll help you. So you get your 5/16 Allen wrench in the drain plug and then turn to loosen. Also, don't forget, you're going to need a drain pan and also a couple rags to help you out here. Next thing you know, we're going to drain the oil out. Once the oil's all drained out, you want to put the plug back in. Then we're going to go around front and add the oil. In order to get to the fill plug, we have to take the front covers off, which I've done already. So we're going to loosen the fill plug on the passenger side of the plow. Once you get the fill plug removed, you want to take your SnowDogg hydraulic fluid and fill it up. It'll take approximately 1.5 to 1 3 quarts. You can't overfill it because your fill plug is on an angle, so you only can fill it up so far. But once you fill it up, you want to put the plug back in. And you want to run it back and forth, up and down a few times, and then recheck your oil. Well, there you have it. There's your basic oil change on a SnowDogg snowplow. A couple things to remember. Change your oil annually, and also use the SnowDogg low temp hydraulic fluid. If you think you're having maybe a bigger problem with your oil, make sure you take it to an authorized SnowDogg dealer so they can do maybe a complete flushing and look it over really well before the season starts. Also, if you have any other questions, give us a call or go to buyersproducts.com, and happy plowing.